Hello friends, today our topic is Dhyan Chand Award. The Dhyan Chand Award, officially known as Dhyan Chand Award for Lifetime Achievement in Sports and Games, is the lifetime achievement sporting honor of the Republic of India. This is India's highest award for lifetime achievement in sports. Major Dhyan Chand lived from 29 August 1905 to 3rd December 1979, was an Indian field hockey player widely regarded as the greatest in the history of the sport. Dhyan Chand was called as the wizard of Indian hockey. Dhyan Chand was known as magicians of Indian hockey. He has superb ball control. He scored 570 goals in 185 matches according to his autobiography Goal. A hockey player has a spectacular ability. Dhyan Chand, who plays hockey, has uncommon or unusual skills capacity to do something in hockey. He used to play for Kalin Mills of Indore along with his brother Roop Singh. Means Mal village is located in Mahua Tahsil of Indore district in Madhya Pradesh, India. Dhyan Chand and his brother works in the mills. Mills means where grain is crushed into flour or crushing other things into powder. Both the brothers were played for Kalin Mills. Dhyan Chand has led India in the Berlin Olympic 1936. Means Dhyan Chand leading the Indian hockey team in Berlin is the Germany capital city where 1936 Olympic was held. Dhyan Chand got in Berlin. India had won gold medal for the third times. Means Berlin is the capital city of Germany where India has won the third Olympic title. Since then, Dhyan Chand got the title of Indian's hockey wizard. Means within that time of Berlin Olympics in 1936, Dhyan Chand got the title of magicians of the hockey. Dhyan Chand Award is India's highest award for lifetime achievement in sports and games given by the Ministry of India. Means Dhyan Chand Award was presented by Ministry of India to players for the duration of players' lifetime attainment in games and sports. The award is named after the legendary Indian hockey player Dhyan Chand. Means the Lifetime Achievement Award for games and sports players named after heroic Indian magicians of hockey player Dhyan Chand. The award initiated in 2002. Means the Dhyan Chand Award started by the Government of India in the year 2002. The award carries a cash prize of rupees 10 lakh, a statue, a certificate and ceremonial dress of honor. Means the Dhyan Chand Award carrying a cash prize of rupees 10 lakh, a small figure of Dhyan Chand, an official document. A special dress is the clothing worn for a very special occasion to give respect. In August 2013, four individuals were awarded the Dhyan Chand Award. Means in August, four individuals are honored by the government of India. Said Ali in hockey. Hockey means taking part in hockey games. Mary de Souza, Securia, athletics. means athletics means a person taking part in running, jumping and throwing events. Anil Mon means in wrestling. Wrestling means activities of grappling with an opponent and trying to throw or hold them down on the ground according to rules and regulations. Giriroy Singh, Parasports. Parasports are the sports played by people with disability, including physical and intellectual disability. Thanks and have a nice